Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rasmai. I am 9 years old. I study in grade 2 at Asian School of Cambodia. Today, I am going to do skeleton activities. This is the skull. This is the ribs. And this is the hips. This is the spine. These are arms. These are the legs. And this is the scissors to cut the skeleton. And this is the pins to collect the skeleton on this. So